Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we're making egg roll in a bowl. I've washed my hands and our cooking surface, so I'm ready to get started. For this recipe, you need just a few ingredients: 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oil, a 1/4 cup low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 2 teaspoons of ground garlic powder, and then 1 bag of a coleslaw mix with shredded carrots. So the first thing we're going to do is get our skillet going. We're going to add our 1 tablespoon of oil to our skillet. Ground turkey is pretty lean, so that's why we're going to add oil in addition to the ground turkey. If you were using ground beef, you probably would not need to add any additional fat. Mix this until it's brown and the meat has reached 165 degrees. Okay, I just tested the temperature of my meat and it is well over 165 degrees. So I am going to add in all my egg roll ingredients. I've got my 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Mix these all together. This smells delicious. Now I'm going to add my coleslaw mixture, and it may look like a lot, but it's going to cook down significantly. And this is so bright and colorful with the purple cabbage and the carrots. So we're going to cook this until the vegetables are tender. Our vegetable and ground turkey mixture is all combined and the vegetables are nice and tender. So now we're going to add the egg, and you're going to make a well or hole in the vegetable mixture. And if you're brave, you can crack your egg right into your skillet, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in a bowl and then get it in the skillet. And we're going to let that egg cook up a little bit, and we're going to scramble it in our hole and then incorporate it into the rest of the mixture. I've got the egg all incorporated, and now I'm going to serve it up in my bowl. This looks delicious. You've got the purple cabbage, orange carrots, the green cabbage, plus our egg and our ground turkey. All that's missing is a fortune cookie. So here is our egg roll in a bowl. Would be a great and quick and easy weeknight dinner. Thanks so much.